2 days ago I bought a used 3D Connection Spacemouse Pro in very good condition, and I've been looking into that kind of equipment for a couple of years now, but I always thought it was a bit too much, too high of a price. But when I found this used, I got it, and when I was looking around on YouTube, I couldn't find any good videos or reviews that had this specific function that I had been missing when just using the mouse and keyboard on when drawing in Fusion 360. So I'm going to show you guys this function on my Volvo model that I showed you in a previous video, and see what my thoughts on the Spacemouse Pro is. Spoiler alert, I love it. So stick around for this video. So here you can see the old Volvo 740 model, which I've showed you in a previous video, and the movement with the Spacemouse is really smooth if you can compare it to the, I'm gonna click finish sketch here. So this is the old movement that I do with the mouse, but when I move this along I can't do anything, draw any lines or move any models or anything. So if this is the movement with the Spacemouse, it's very smooth, so I really like it. But also I can click create sketch, choose a plane here, and draw a line. And the good thing here is that I really like is that I can continue drawing while I'm moving the model. This is just random lines, but so you get the idea that you don't have to finish, you don't have to quit what you're doing with the mouse. You can just continue doing that and working with the Spacemouse to move the model around. So just random stuff and lines, but you get the idea. So I really like this function. It's something I've been missing, and there was probably a way to work around that or add a second computer mouse or anything. But for the price I paid for this, I love it. So there you have it. I love this tool. It feels very professional and good quality. Of course it has a high price, so if you don't making any money off your designs, you might not be able to motivate it new. So why not you do as I did and look for it as a used product. You can also go for the ordinary Spacemouse, which looked like this, and it will probably be good enough, and it was for me as well. But the addition of the buttons that you can change out the layout and which function they control is a really good option as well. So I really love it, and I can recommend it a lot if you can afford it, of course. So quick video on this, and in a couple of days I will make a new video with the continued work on my race car. So until next time, like this video, follow my channel, and I'll see you guys next time in the near future. Bye for now. Bye.